Iguazu Falls is the largest system of waterfalls in the world. Not to be confused with the largest curtain of falling water, Victoria Falls in Africa, or the tallest waterfall, Angel Falls in Venezuela. Depending on rainfall, there can be between 150 and 300 smaller waterfalls in this system. Trekking well-designed trails and bridges, we cross paths with fascinating creatures.
Oh, wow.
Tegus, plush crested jays, and an adorable troupe of coatis. But perhaps the most fascinating was this butterfly with transparent wings. After a long afternoon of walking and gawking, you're going to want to grab an empanada or two from the snack bars. And heads up, the Capuchin monkeys are going to want to grab an empanada or two from you.
Good luck. He's a Sony fanboy. And that's his first G Masters lens he's ever landed on.
Delicious.